Especially if you are running a YouTube channel, this powerful tip will help you a lot. The mantra is batch production. Yes, guys, it's the batch production. When you are planning to record a video or planning to prepare a post for social media, don't try to with only one. Okay, so try to produce a more stuff at the at particular time. So you suppose if you want to record one video and you prepared a script for one video and you shooted one video and you closed it, so that's not the correct, guys. So you have to plan multiple videos and you have to shoot all those videos at a single day, and then you have to schedule those videos on the YouTube. Same with Facebook, Instagram, and all things, guys. So if you do things in this way, so you can produce a lot of content in very less time. So this is the batch production. Mostly I am applying this particular thing for my works. So I mostly record 2 to 3 or around 4 videos at the same time, and highly recommend you to post the content on different social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube. So people will come to lot of doubts like how I have to produce the content through all over these social media platforms. So from the beginning of days, I am suggesting one simple technique, that is the content repurpose. Use the content repurpose to produce the content for all these social media platforms. Producing content in one format and just repurposing, just converting that one format content to other formats is the content repurpose. So guys, you are uploading video on YouTube, why not to convert that video into captions? Put the captions for that video and convert the captions and add some interesting stuff inside the captions, and you have to that captions you can convert into one blog article. So why not to extract the audio from the video and add the pre-roll and end roll, and you can upload it to your podcast, and you can get the some clips from the your YouTube video, and you can produce those as the IGTV videos, LinkedIn videos, Facebook page videos. You can use some clips as Instagram reels, stories, like that. So okay, there are plenty of things you can do with your one single piece of content. Okay, so whatever producing your one piece of content on YouTube, that can be converted into multiple piece of content. So here you can convert whatever you are speaking in the video, so those you can convert it into some small images. You can use the simple tool like Canva. So and you can upload that content to Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, so all these social media platforms.